Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open the YouTube app or go to Studio. YouTube, COM on desktop, start with the app for quick action. Once open, tap Library, then your videos to reveal uploads. Use the filter to show only shorts. Make sure you're viewing the account that uploaded the clip. Switch accounts now if needed. This step ensures you don't delete someone else's content by accident. Once the short appears, get ready to select it and access the three-dot menu for deletion options. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu beside the short and choose Delete. YouTube asks you to confirm, so read the prompt and confirm to remove it. On desktop, open YouTube Studio, go to Content, then use the Shorts filter to isolate short-form uploads. Select the video, click the More Options icon, and choose Delete Forever. Make sure to export any analytics or download the file before confirming. Once deleted, the video is removed from public view and your channel's library. There's no soft trash for shorts. After deletion, refresh your channel and search for the short to confirm it's gone. Check both the mobile app and desktop. If the video still appears, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or reload the desktop page. This forces a fresh state. If deletion keeps failing, use an incognito browser on desktop and repeat YouTube Studio steps, or revoke and re-granted app permissions before retrying. Troubleshooting like this fixes syncing glitches. If all else fails, contact YouTube support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.